So, throughout this process, in the last week or so here, when I've been doing this ergo frame, I had one guy ask me, is it common, this repair? And the answer is no. I've never ever repaired a rear frame under an ergo like this. We can't explain it, I guess. We don't know if it was whatever the case is. And everybody explored putting a new frame under it, getting one from Finland, and the cost effectiveness, and yada yada yada. And this is what they came up with, and I was the one that got to do it. So I do a lot of those repairs, and I think it turned out really, really well. I don't think there'll be any more problems with it. So that answers that one. That was one of the comments. Is that common? And it is not. It could be operator abuse. It could have got dragged out of a mud hole somewhere with two excavators, and it might have torqued the boom. Who knows? I said I was a Ponsse service dealer, and we don't have a lot of work from Ponsse. I mean, we do, but like I said, there isn't a lot of machines in our market area, if you will. But I have the experience in the welding department. I proved that out, I think, to you guys. And so what they do is they send these projects to me where they can focus on other stuff up there, in their local, the bigger dealer up north. And so it works for us. But the irony of all that is, you look at all the corporations in the world, and corporations and corporations and corporations, and what I find is really unique about this organization, the Ponsse people, is that they're cool. Not that I don't want to go on a big old spiel about this stuff, but 2 years ago, I think it was 3 years ago, the chairman of the board stopped at my shop. Okay, and I live in a town of 700, 800 people. They asked me, of course, it was a big show here up in Michigan, Logging Congress, so he was in the United States, and he stopped on a Sunday to see me. Okay. Now that meant more to me than any corporate BS with these other ones. And that's why I stick with it. I've had my ups and downs like we all do in every business, but I'm known over there, and I can appreciate that. I really can. I appreciate that connection to the top dog, if you will, to the and they're very supportive. They're very understanding people. They're very good business people. And I love the vision when I first started with them. Know your customers and know their business. That was one of Anery's, that was before my time here with them, but that was one of his sayings that I've never forgotten. And that's what I try to achieve. And I think that's what they do that John Deere, Komatsu Forest, they'll never be able to do. They just keep growing the market here in the United States, and it's going to keep going. I can only hope that it'll pick up a little faster than it has in my area, but that's okay. I mean, these guys not taking care of their customers just it gives me work all the time. So if they ever figure it out, and I heard I know Nortrax was sold, or they had some letter of intent here in the Midwest and Great Lakes states, whatever you want to call it. So we'll see how that goes. I know John Deere let go of that. They're letting go of those dealerships and selling them out. So I don't know what's all going to happen there. But if they continue on the path, it's all about service. It's all about service and uptime for you guys out there. And it's to me that if you're down and out, you need help, you need stuff fixed, then you gotta go where you can get it fixed the fastest so you can get back to work. You know, so that's the truth of it. And it's only logical. I don't know. I'm on a soapbox today. It's Friday, I'm tired, and these guys are good people. The Ergo people, Ponsse. I can't say enough good things about them. So, all right, well, I hope you watched this to the end. I appreciate it as usual. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so in any way possible you guys can help, I'll keep doing this stuff. And if I help one person out there become a better welder, then I'm doing what I intended to do. So there, giving back. I'm getting old. Time to teach some people stuff. So what a better avenue to do it. I mean, technology is awesome. Today's technology. So okay, all right, enjoy. Thanks for watching.